The case of Shamima Begum is a significant example of the UK's approach to revoking citizenship on national security grounds, which has sparked considerable debate and controversy. Shamima Begum case. Background: Shamima Begum was one of 3 schoolgirls from East London who travelled to Syria in 2015 to join the Islamic State (ISIS) when she was 15 years old. In 2019, she was found in a Syrian refugee camp and expressed a desire to return to the UK. Citizenship Revocation. In February 2019, the UK Home Secretary at the time, Sajid Javid, revoked her British citizenship on grounds of national security. The decision was based on the belief that she posed a security threat and could potentially be eligible for Bangladeshi citizenship through her mother, thereby not rendering her stateless. Legal battles. Begum has since engaged in legal battles to regain her UK citizenship. Her case has been a focal point in discussions about citizenship, national security, and human rights. Legal basis. The UK government can revoke citizenship under the British Nationality Act 1981, particularly if it serves the public good and does not make the individual stateless. This power is typically exercised in cases involving terrorism or serious crimes. Security concerns. Revoking citizenship is a measure to prevent individuals who are involved in terrorism from returning to the UK, where they might pose a threat. National security versus human rights. The case highlights the tension between national security interests and individual human rights. Critics argue that revoking citizenship can lead to human rights violations and sets a concerning precedent. Impact on communities. While these actions are aimed at individuals involved in terrorism, they can disproportionately affect certain communities and contribute to feelings of marginalization and discrimination. Government justification. The UK government maintains that such measures are necessary to protect national security. They argue that individuals who join terrorist organizations and engage in hostile activities against the UK cannot be allowed to return and pose a threat. Public and media reaction. The case has received widespread media coverage and has sparked public debate. Some support the government's tough stance on security, while others criticize it as an overreach and a violation of human rights. Legal status. As of the latest updates, Shamima Begum remains in a legal limbo, with ongoing appeals and legal proceedings regarding her citizenship status. The UK Supreme Court ruled in 2021 that she could not return to the UK to pursue her appeal against the citizenship revocation. The case of Shamima Begum exemplifies the complex and contentious nature of citizenship revocation in the context of national security. While the UK government's actions are aimed at protecting public safety, they raise important questions about the balance between security and human rights, as well as the broader impact on affected communities.